Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up a testing server under Dreamweaver. Show you guys that real quick. Alright, first you need to open up Dreamweaver. I have Dreamweaver CS5.5, as you can see here. And it's actually pretty easy to set up a testing server if you guys have WAMP installed or XAMPP. If you're on Linux or Windows, you can run either or. And I believe Mac runs MAMP. So the settings are pretty much the same. But what you want to go to is you want to come up here to where it says Site, and you're going to go New Site. Alright, and you're going to set up a new site for your testing server, so we'll just say Test. Okay, and then we're going to browse to our local site folder, which needs to be inside of your server. So all you do is click Computer, and most people will host it right there underneath their C drive. Click WAMP. www is the public part of the server that you can put your files and folders into. Alright, and we'll create a new folder. Actually, we'll just click this button here and we'll call it Test. Okay, double click that, hit Select. So you can see here our site name is Test. Our local site folder is c.wamp www and test. And for servers, we come here, we click this little plus button right here. Okay, and we can name our server whatever we want. I'll name it Camille, and we're going to connect using local/network. Okay, we're going to find our server folder, which is under Computer, C, WAMP, www. Alright, so we're just going to select that as our server folder, and then we can hit Save. Or you can type in the web URL, which would be localhost/test, and that would be how you set up your server here. We'll click Testing. We don't need remote on, and click Save. Alright, so as you can see here, we have our site set up in Dreamweaver. Now we're going to open up a new PHP document here just to show you guys that it does work. Alright, I'm going to delete all that. So we're going to do HTML5. Alright. It's actually pretty easy to set up here. So our title, we're just going to call it Test Page. Okay. And then we have our body, obviously. Alright, so we'll do something real quick here. We'll just do a section with an article and a header. Oops. Nope. There we go. Alright, we'll do an H2 tag. Type a little too fast sometimes. Okay, so for H2, we'll call this Test Page. And the reason I'm doing this as a PHP is because in HTML, Firefox will automatically open up the page without any issues, so we want to put some PHP code in here. So all we need to do is come down here, and we'll put in some PHP real quick. Alright, we'll have a variable named test. Okay, and it's going to equal hello YouTube. Yep, there we go. Alright. And then we're just going to echo out test. Save the file. We're going to call it index. Alright, saved in. Hit F12. And it should open up our browser here for Firefox, I believe. Yep, there we go. And you can see here we have test page, hello YouTube. If we do Control-Alt-U, we'll see the source code. Or, I'm sorry, Control-Shift-U. And you'll see our source code here. We have our title, we have our header, we have hello YouTube written, even though we did PHP code right here that's echoing out a variable. We could also do something like, let's do another PHP. We're going to do something like this, num1 equals 2. 2 equals 10. And then we'll just echo out num1 plus num2. And obviously we'll change that so it's proper. Okay. Save that. Come back to your file browser, or your internet browser, hit F5, and you'll see we have the answer is 12. So that's how you set up a testing server inside of Dreamweaver. It's pretty simple to do. Remember just to go up here to Site, create new site, or manage sites, and you can manage any site you want, and just hit Edit, and then you can come right here to Servers, click the plus button, and add a server that you want. I'm not going to go into how to actually install the WAMP server. It's actually pretty simple. If you're on Windows, it's really simple. Even Linux is very easy. You just extract the packages and go. So that's pretty much it, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it helps clear up some issues on how to set up a local testing server for PHP code or whatever else you need, MySQL, PHP, MyAdmin, things like that. Alright guys, enjoy, and we will get rolling with the next video soon.